So we just picked up the Tesla Model X here in Orlando. Drove 8 miles from Atlanta, Georgia down to Orlando simply to pick it up and save about $15,000. We always purchase our assets like a vehicle about a year to 2 years older. It allows you to save a tremendous amount of money. This Tesla originally would be about $90,000. We got it for $72,400, 2,600 miles on it, so not too bad of a deal. Coolest thing about this car, obviously the performance, green energy, low gas mileage, all that kind of stuff. But really the coolest thing about this car is because of the battery, it weighs 6,500 pounds. That 6,500 pounds, along with Claire using it exclusively for her business, makes it qualify as a business asset per section 179 of the tax code that allows us to depreciate it in the first year. So what that means, we're going to take the $72,400 directly off her income and save us about $15,000 to $20,000 in taxes this year alone. That's a pretty nice savings. Imagine if you took the $15,000 in savings and you put that into a 401k, an IRA, maybe into another real estate investment. We're going to earn another 8% off that. All goes well. Pretty nice savings, a pretty nice purchase if you ask my opinion. What do you think though? Is a Tesla a good purchase? Does it make sense to go higher end, purchase a little bit heavier of a car, a nicer car, to get the bonus depreciation, to get the gas savings? Or should we have just purchased something maybe just like a regular BMW? Let me know.